Ovary. Ovary are egg-like, almond-shaped structure. This complete system, as I told you, is present in the pelvis region. It is fixed in the pelvis region by a fold of mesothelium. Mesothelium fold ने ही या आपल्या सिस्टीम ही बॉडीच्या आतल्या बाजूला फिक्स असते, ती हलू शकत नाही. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो कनेक्शन विथ द सिस्टम. By mesothelium fold, mesothelium is the fold of peritoneum membrane by which it is fixed in the body. These ovaries are present on both sides of uterus. They are fixed at a position by a fold of skin. It is called as ovarian ligament. This is the ovarian ligament. You can see in the diagram. This ovarian ligament, it holds the ovaries in proper position. There is no connection of ovaries with other part of reproductive system. Externally they are connected, but internally there is no connection. They are set separate. This is the complete system and ovaries are present separately. Out of this body, out of this system, they are present separately on the both side of uterus. These ovaries are 3 cm long. In the length, they are 3 cm long, 1.5 cm broad and 1 cm thickness. So that is the dimension of ovary. In the next part, we will study the internal structure of ovary. Ovary perform the function of production of female gamete, that is ovum. Along with that, ovary also produce female sex hormones like that of testes. So we'll study that in our next part. Just now we'll complete the system of female reproduction. These ovaries are near the fallopian tube. Now this is one fallopian tube. Okay, can you see this? This fallopian tube, it starts from this part and it ends up to this part. So this long structure is fallopian tube. Here it starts from the uterus and it ends here. So this tube, fallopian tube or oviduct, this fallopian tube has two ends. One end is connected with uterus. From here uterus start. इथपासून पुढचा ऑर्गन हा आहे uterus. युटेरसच्या दोन्ही बाजूला या आहेत fallopian tube. One end is attached with uterus and another end of fallopian tube you can see it is funnel shaped. फनेलच्या आकाराचा थोडासा पसरट भाग आहे. This part of fallopian tube, beginning part, is called as infundibulum. Okay, so this is infundibulum. The middle part is called as isthmus and the upper part is the isthmus is the part where it combines with uterus and another part is ampulla. So infundibulum, this is infundibulum. The middle part is called as ampulla and the end part which joins with uterus is called as isthmus. These are the three parts of fallopian tube. This fallopian tube you can see finger like structure. बोटांच्या आकाराचे स्ट्रक्चर आहे, त्याला म्हणायचं फिम्ब्री. and that fimri encircled or opening, त्याच्यामध्ये एक ओपनिंग आहे जिथून ही ट्यूब सुरू होते, that opening is called as ostium or ostia. Ostia म्हणजे काय? ओपनिंग. So ostia and fimri are present at the part of infundibulum. This oviduct perform the function of receiving the ovum. When the ovum is released from ovary, ovary मधून ovum बाहेर टाकला जातो and that is catch by fallopian tube. Fallopian tube हा जो फिम्ब्री पार्ट आहे, it catch, जसं कॅच पकडली जाते बॉलची हाताने. इन द सेम वे दॅट ओव्हम इज कॉट बाय द femri and that ovum then enter in the fallopian tube and it go in the forward direction. At the inner part of the fallopian tube there is ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium म्हणजे काय? Hair like structure. These cilia they push the ovum in the forward direction towards the uterus. This is uterus almond shape. Okay, it is the pear shape. Sorry, uterus is pear shape. Ovaries are almond shape. Uterus is pear shape. फुलदाणीच्या आकाराचा असा निमुळता पार्ट आहे. It is muscular bag. Uterus is having the dimension of 7 to 8 centimeter long. It is 5 centimeter broad and about 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness. Uterus is also divided into 3 parts. The first part of uterus is called as fundus. The main part of uterus is called as body and the end part of uterus is called as cervix. So fundus, body and cervix are the parts of uterus. It is thick wall structure. And it has 3 layers of walls. Outermost wall is called as perimetrium. Peri म्हणजे काय? Peri म्हणजे बाहेरची, surrounding. Perimetrium is the outer wall. Myometrium is the inner wall and endometrium is the innermost wall. Myometrium you can see the thickest part. सगळ्यात जाड हा जो पार्ट दिसतोय ना, सगळ्यात रुंद हा जो पार्ट आहे. This complete part is myometrium, which makes the uterus thick wall. And innermost, I have shown it with red color. आतलं लाल रंगाचं जे layer आहे, this is endometrium. It has blood vessel, lymph vessel supply. So this wall name, you remember it properly. They are very important when we study the menstrual cycle of the female. Okay, so 3 walls: perimetrium, myometrium and endometrium. It makes the uterus bulky and thick. In the uterus, the fetus is present for 9 months in the pregnancy. Complete development of the baby, it takes place in the uterus. After the development, the baby is given out. Okay, it is called as parturition. That is, baby is delivered out through this canal. This is called as vagina. Okay, so this part is vagina. It is also about 7 centimeter long. This vagina is also called as birth canal. It gives birth of the baby, that is from inside to outside, and also the sperms during copulation. The sperms are deposited in the vagina from the male. Male gametes are sperms. They are given in the female body through this opening, and in the vagina the sperms are deposited and they are carried inside the female body through this canal. In the menstrual cycle, the menses is also given out through this vagina. So this vagina is a passage for entry and exit of the material. And the last part is vulva. It is external genitalia. It is the opening. It consists of, that is the labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, and the depression is called as vestibule. Togetherly they form vulva. So this is female reproductive system: ovary, fallopian tube, okay, about 7 centimeter long. Here the fertilization takes place. It has ciliated epithelium. The middle part is uterus, made up consists of 3 regions: fundus, body and cervix. So cervix is the end part. ज्याला आपण गर्भाशयाचं मुख म्हणतो, तोंड गर्भाशयाचं, ते आहे cervix. It has 2 openings at this. One opening goes to the vagina and other opening goes towards the body of the uterus. Okay, and they are called as internal OS and external OS. Okay, these are the two opening of cervix part of uterus. This is vagina and it is the birth canal. This is vulva, that is the opening of the female reproductive system. So, this is female reproductive system.